allegations has been leveled by Mamata Banerjee. The war of words are only intensifying amid the raids. BJP has hit out at the TMC government. BJP says Didi is issuing threats. Mamata stands with criminals.
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी का अगर हम देख लें पास्ट में एक्सपीरियंस, तो वो इलीगल लोग या क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज जिस तरह से लोग करते हैं उनके साथ ममता बनर्जी खड़ी हुई है। वो संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को किसी भी तरह से उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए, उनको मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। चाहे वो इलेक्शन कमीशन हो उसके खिलाफ बोलना हो, चाहे ईडी या कोर्ट के खिलाफ बोलना, उनका यही एक्टिविटीज है। तो वह सबके सामने स्पष्ट रूप से आ रहा है और अब इलेक्शन जो आएगा वेस्ट बंगाल में, तो वह जनता उस बात को रेखांकित करके अपना मत जरूर देगी।
All right, let's go across to Rajesh. The war of words is only intensifying. BJP hitting out at Mamata Banerjee for reaching the spot when the raids were underway. And we heard how Mamata Banerjee has alleged that the Bharatiya Janata Party wants TMC's data. That's the reason why raids are being conducted.
Absolutely, BJP is now saying Enforcement Directorate as a central probe agency, they should be allowed to function independently without intervention of any political person, any politically motivated person. But Mamata Banerjee has accused BJP of utilizing the central probe agency as a tool just ahead of high voltage election in West Bengal, and she has also accused central probe agency and Enforcement Directorate of stealing data of Trinamool Congress, which were kept inside the office of IPAC and as well as the house of Pratik Jain, who is the director and co-founder of IPAC. And Mamata Banerjee has also said that they were trying to transfer the data from IPAC's hard drive and pen drive to their laptop to steal the data which are related to Trinamool's political strategy before the election, regarding the candidate list and every document which are directly linked to Trinamool Congress political strategy. So this was a alleged move by the central government, as per the version of Mamata Banerjee. That was a move by the central government just ahead of West Bengal Assembly election. But now we are still waiting for the response of Enforcement Directorate. We are looking for the reaction which will be coming from the sources of Enforcement Directorate. But till now, Enforcement Directorate has not reacted on the serious allegations leveled by Mamata Banerjee.
Right. Well, there are reactions coming in from the Congress as well. Rajesh, stay on with us. The Congress has launched a sharp attack on the Trinamool Congress, alleging that political consultancy firm IPAC acts as the eyes and ears of the TMC to ensure party's victory at any cost, even in exchange for money.
IPAC acts as an eyes and ears of TMC party to ensure the win of TMC party. And to that end, they can do anything else in exchange of money. When Mamata Banerjee rushed to the IPAC office, she was accompanied by Calcutta police officials, who are the bootlickers of the TMC party. So it has also been exposed that government and police are hand in glove, either to save or resist any kind of aggression against the ruling regime.
पश्चिम बंगाल से एक बड़ी खबर ये आ रही है कि आईपैक के जो चीफ हैं प्रतीक जैन के ऑफिस में जो है ईडी की छापेमारी चल रही है कोल स्कैम मामले में। ममता बनर्जी भी फाइल लेकर वहां पे पहुंच गई हैं। किस तरीके से देखते हैं ईडी की इस छापेमारी को?
आपको तो सवाल भी नहीं पूछना चाहिए, पहले देख लीजिए कि किसके राज्य में हो रही है, क्या उसमें बीजेपी का शासन है, नहीं है। सवाल का जवाब आपको मिल जाएगा।
The office of a TMC poll strategist has been raided, with top sources in the Enforcement Directorate confirming the action to Times Now. ED sources have strongly countered TMC's allegations, rejecting claims that the party's election strategy is being targeted. Sources clarify that the search is evidence-based, not directed at any political party. They also refute claims that a TMC party office was searched, stating no party office is involved in the operation, on allegations that the raids are linked to elections. ED sources say the action is part of a larger crackdown, and on claims of illegality, officials insist the searches are being conducted strictly within legal safeguards. Let's go across to Bhavtosh, who's getting us more details. There's a war of words happening at the moment with the Chief Minister of West Bengal alleging that the raids were conducted or the crackdown is happening only to, get more data on TMC's political strategy. There's a counter coming in from the sources within the ED, Bhavtosh.
Yes, Swati, as far as ED is concerned, officially no statement has been issued, but what we have gathered after speaking to multiple sources in the Enforcement Directorate, they have said that it's an ongoing investigation that started way back in 2020, and after gathering evidence, only then they have carried out these raids and searches, including at premises linked to the top officials of IPAC, and they have said that no office of TMC is being covered as far as these searches are concerned. Importantly, they have said that searches are also being carried out at 4 locations in Delhi. ED has in fact also alleged that people at high offices in Delhi, in West Bengal have disrupted the searches, and they have in fact should not have done so. They have further said that after carrying out their own intelligence, that these searches are presently going on at various places. Now, one of the person of interest as far as ED is concerned is Prateek Jain, one of the founder members of IPAC, and importantly, his alleged links with Anup Maji. Anup Maji is a person against whom CBI had registered an FIR in 2020, and he has been behind bars since 2020, and in fact applied for a bail in 2025.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you. We're moving on now. Let's shift our focus to what transpired